Do you find having to stand over the stove a bit of a chore? If you are creating dishes such as soups and stews, the secret to success is constantly stirring the pot. However, if you have several chores to complete, you simply may not have the time to linger by the stove. This will no longer be an issue when you pick out the best automatic pot stirrer. This innovative gadget takes care of stirring for you, leaving you free to get on with other tasks. Let's take a closer look at some of the most popular automatic pot stirrers to see what makes them so special. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best automatic pot stirrer 2022. So let's get started. Number 5. Utensil Stir. With its striking design, this model really stands out from the crowd. The Utensil Stir boasts a compact design that helps to make it portable. It promises to be the perfect tool for modern cooks on the go. This model is set with 3 different speeds for optimum convenience. You are able to change the speed by pressing a switch set into the top. This helps to make this model compatible with different types of foods. However, you are likely to find that this model is too short to reach the base of tall pots and pans. This is likely to mean that the bottom of your sauces will be prone to scorching. It may also struggle to move through food that is very heavy or sticky. Number 4. Ardent Gourmet Stirrer. With its large and adjustable design, this model promises to be easy to use. The Ardent Gourmet Stirrer is set with 2 plastic grip handles that attach to the sides of your pot. You are able to adjust these handles from 9 inches to 16 inches. As a result, this model is compatible with a large number of pots and pans. The top part rests over the top of the pot, while the stirring blade moves through the contents inside. The stirring blade is especially large and sturdy and moves in a smooth motion. Unlike many competing models, this automatic pot stirrer only has 1 speed. This speed is rather slow and steady. While this is ideal for slowly stirring thick stews, it may not be ideal for thinner sauces that require more speed. However, you do have the option of choosing between continuous and intermittent stirring. This allows your food time to breathe and thicken from time to time. The Ardent Gourmet Stirrer runs on batteries, so there are no cords or wires to get in the way. Number 3. StirMate Smart Pot Stirrer. With its smart and simple design, this model is designed to be especially versatile. The StirMate Smart Pot Stirrer features a sturdy clip that can be attached to the side of pots and pans. It is adjustable to be compatible with pots 6 to 12 inches wide and 3 to 9 inches deep. This model features a cordless design and is set with a rechargeable battery. It can run for up to 13 hours on a single charge without diminishing in power. When empty, the battery takes just 30 minutes to fully recharge. The large paddle is held firmly in place when slotted through the hole in the center of the arm. The motor slowly pushes the arm around the pot to ensure even stirring. The motor runs almost silently for optimum convenience. Number 2. Gourmet Stirrific. Gourmet Stirrific is one of those products that have won the hearts of most consumers in a single use. This automatic stirrer works on a complete hands-free design that is free from any hassle. This machine is capable of stirring thick soups, thin sauces, and even delicate risottos, along with hot cereals. The versatile design of the machine allows it to fit over pots and pans of all sizes. Therefore, you do not have to restrict yourself with the pans that you're going to prepare your stew in. One of the most unique things about this product is that you can use it any several speed options. This speed adjustability is what makes it compatible with stirring a wide variety of dishes. Number 1. Saki Automatic Pot Stirrer. The Saki Automatic Pot Stirrer is made from BPA-free food-grade materials, so it is absolutely safe to have it come in contact with ingredients for long periods of time. We also love the built-in dual arms, which allow for great precision in stirring while avoiding burning ingredients, and the 2-speed options on offer, which makes it a great choice for standard recipes, such as stews and soups, and more involved culinary creations, such as risotto and caramel. Though this automatic pot stirrer does feature a self-adjusting design in line with our top pick, it doesn't offer as much size variety, allowing use with pots with a 6 to 10.2 inches diameter and 4 to 8 inches height. Also, we appreciated the cordless design, but did notice the included lithium-ion battery was of a lower quality than what shipped with our top pick, allowing just 2 hours of use on a single charge and taking around 4 hours to recharge. That was our list of the top 5 best automatic pot stirrer 2022 just for you.